Hey guys, it's Diane Mary. Today I'm going to be talking about my newest obsession in hair care, and these are treatments from a brand called Save Me From. Am I crooked? Maybe a little crooked. Alright, if you don't know me, by the way, I do my videos, I record them once done through, no edits, it is what it is. I am far, far, far from a perfect human being, so I might mess up, I might stutter, so just a warning. But Save Me From is a new brand of hair care treatments. I used some today, I'll get to that in a minute, but this is day one, freshly washed hair. That's about 85 to like 90% dry. It's not 100% dry yet, but with timing and everything else I have to get done, this is when I could record it. And I did clip my front hairline pieces down as I air dried because my front hairline pieces are so much wonkier and like just not in sync with the rest of my hair. I pulled up a picture. That is how I clipped them back. I remembered to take a picture before just to stretch them out. But guys, my hair is so shiny. My hair is so soft. The shine is out of control. Like, I don't even think my camera's picking up just how shiny my hair is. And along with this video, I do have a corresponding blog post with tons more information, so I encourage you to check that out. Check out the Save Me From website too, and I do have a discount code that I'll post below if you want to shop and save some money. So these weren't sent to me, by the way. I did buy these with my own money, husband's money, you know how it goes. But I actually found out about this brand through a Facebook ad, and most Facebook ads I ignore. And you know, my hair and scalp went through some trauma over the summer, which I'm finally recovering from. And just by researching and learning, like just wanting to educate myself further, I guess Facebook ads targeted my Google searches, and this popped up. Usually I ignore them, but something told me to click this ad. Read the website. Again, the website has so much information. Reading the clinicals, the ingredients, everything that's in it, everything that's not. Like, I really couldn't order fast enough, and I'm so glad I did. I've only been using these maybe a month, probably about a month, maybe a little less, and I'm just blown away. They're already holy grail. They're already, don't even try to like pry these out of my hands because I will not give them to you. So Save Me From, the company launched this year, and not only are they great treatments for your hair that could be used in many ways. The founder, April, she lost her sister to suicide, and any purchase of a Save Me From product will go to organizations to help, like a part of the purchase, to help spread awareness, goes to help mental health. So that's something like I'm a big advocate for, like spreading the awareness, ending the stigma. So I think that the fact that they give back is really great. And by the way, if you see me looking off to the side, I did pull up a few tabs because there's things I don't want to forget to say, and there's a lot of information I wanted to tell you guys. I'm so excited about these products, like you don't even know. But they are all sulfate free, they're very clean, they're paraben free, they're synthetic dye free, they're silicone free, and all the fragrances in them are safe as well. So I forgot what it was, and that part's not here, but it shouldn't like bother if you are scent sensitive. And they all smell really clean and really nice. Now you might be looking at these and thinking like, that looks really small for a hair treatment. There are two sizes, by the way. There's the biggest size that I don't have, and there are these small half-ounce sizes. And ordinarily, like literally with any other treatment on the market, this wouldn't even cover like half my head. I have longer hair, I have a decent amount of it, so it would be laughable. But these are so potent, you need so little. The one I've been using the most is the Silver Guy, and again, I'm going to get to them. I've already used this more than 4 times, and I still have more left. So don't let the size fool you. You need significantly less than any other hair treatment. And just again, to show my hair, sorry it's not all the way dry if you check the blog for pictures, but it's just so shiny, soft. There's not a lot of frizz. Again, my hair, nature of the beast, will never be 100% frizz free. So the company, like all the products, they are based on what type of damage that your hair has, which I've never heard of a company doing that before. That's why there's 6 of them for 6 different targeted damages. If you're not sure, there's a quiz on the website. You could take the quiz and it'll tell you which ones will work best for you. I got all 6. There is a great sampler to get all 6 because my hair just needs all sorts of help from every direction ever. So there's that. They're made, they go off of Ayurvedic medicine, like, you know, the, is very holistic. And where is that site? Because I'm forgetting some of it. I tried, but basically the main ingredient in all of them is something called fenugreek, which is like a legume. They actually have their own patented technology called Phenugen, which is a concentrated blend of healthy hair bioactive compounds proven to improve hair strength, shine, hydration, and scalp nourishment. And the fenugreek is what the Phenugen is made out of. And on top of that, every treatment also has something called Bond Reboot, which is bond building, scalp health optimizing blend of nutrients formulated to amplify your hair transformation journey. I was reading that, by the way, in case you couldn't tell. So there's a whole bunch of other extracts and butters in them based on which treatment that you do. There's different active highlighted ingredients. I have that all on my blog, and I'm just blown away. There's different ways you could use this. There's up to 9 different ways that the website lists as well. The main ways you could really use them are as like an overnight mask, as like a rinse out mask, leave it on 20-30 minutes, or my favorite way to use most of them has been as a leave-in, because I figure there's so many great ingredients in here to help repair my hair. I want them to live in my hair as long as possible, and since they're not hard protein treatments, it's fine to do. So I like to use it as a leave-in, and I wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week. So I did use one as a leave-in today, and I used another one as a mask. And what else do I want to tell you guys before I get into my own thing? I'm just trying to remember what else is from the site. So the parent company is called Live Lux Lab, and it's a beauty and wellness company striving to create wellness boosting, sophisticated, powerful personal care products that empower all people to find purpose, realize their potential, and know they have the power to accomplish greatness. I mean, how great is that for a mission? Plus, it's to help save hair from hair damage and to save lives by advocating suicide prevention, optimum mental health, and overall wellness. So, disclaimer is on the site. I'm going to read it. It's not meant to replace professional medical treatment. So that's all. If you go on the site, there's all on the science. I said cruelty free already. I said silicone sulfate free. Oh, IFRA compliant fragrances. That's what I wanted to tell you guys before. Backed by science. They talk about how science backed it and like studied it, and you could check that out too. So let's just get to the fun stuff. Let's just get to the why I am obsessed with these lately. Alright, so there's 6 of them. Again, you go buy treatments. You could get the variety pack. Just get 1 or 2 that you want to try. So I'll talk about the ones that are in my hair today. I guess that makes sense. So I'll do this guy first, because this guy's kind of unique. This is the only one I would not use as a leave-in conditioner. And this one is Product Overload. And this is for if you use a lot of styling products, if you need to clarify your hair, if you want a fresh start, detox and purify. I use this today on my wet hair. I cleansed my hair. I toweled, removed the excess water. Put this in about a half an hour. I did mix this with my regular conditioner only because this was very cleansing, and I felt that it was a little squeaky as a treatment. So I wanted to mix it with a conditioner just to give my hair added softness. And I mean, even when I rinsed, my hair felt very light and it just felt clean. I was due for a clarification anyway. And this, I remember this, I think, is it charcoal or some type of clay in here? I have my blog post up, I might as well look. So the key ingredients in here are black kaolin, white and bamboo activated charcoal, and multi-hyaluronic acid. So you have the charcoal and you have the kaolin, so that is drawing out the impurities, but the hyaluronic acid is going to help with the moisture a little bit. This one is dark, you could see it like that. I've used this twice so far. Smells good, smells fresh, so I use it, and like I said, my hair just felt really light and bouncy, and this is one I would use 1 to 2 times a month. I love it, but I would probably use this one the least because I don't need to use it more often than that. So, and all of these products, I feel my hair just is a lot shinier, and it's just getting healthier. Even my front pieces here, if you guys watch me, thank you. I constantly complain about how unmanageable and frizzy my front hairline pieces are and how they feel rough. They even feel better. So I really look forward to what continued use of this line is going to do. So the next one, maybe I'll go by order of where they are there. Alright, so the next one I have over here with this pretty, and I love these, like, the color coordinated. They're so pretty. The pretty pink cover. This is called Chemical Conflict, and this is to strengthen and repair if your hair is dyed, if your hair is relaxed, if you have any chemical in your hair. I haven't dyed my hair since 2015, but some of you guys may know, some of you may not. The front hairline pieces, those are manageable ones I've been complaining about. I did get them softened in February, which was like a mild relaxer, and they're damaged now. I actually have 2 different like curl patterns. They're curly and then they go straight, plus they're weaker, so they need repairing. Plus just this is more like protein based. It's a good protein moisture balanced, but this definitely has more proteins in it, and because I know my hair likes protein, I was excited knowing that my hair would really like this one. I use this, I didn't use this as a leave-in today, but when I do, I use it as a leave-in all over. Key ingredients: carob seed and vegetable protein, New Zealand wool, and South African rooibos, like the rooibos tea. Again, check the website if you want to know specifically what those ingredients do, but really liking it. My hair feels shiny. Like, I feel like they all are doing the same thing where they're all making my hair just feel like a better version of itself. I feel like it's taking 15 years off my hair, which is pretty much unheard of for me. I feel like I'm on the road to getting my hair closer to the virgin state. Like, I actually have surprising more curl definition. Like, I've been purposely trying to elongate my curls and stretch them out to be looser waves, but I have more curl definition today without even trying. I mean, when I apply product now, I actually comb it through my hair and I keep touching it, and my hair is just getting healthy again. That is like, all right, I'm just gonna bounce up on you. So I mean, it's fine, I don't mind it, but that's how healthy it's getting. So that one was called Chemical Conflict. And then the next one we have here with the yellow pretty top, they're all pretty tops and I keep saying that, Sun and Sweat. So this is to smooth and condition, and this is a really unique one because I don't think a lot of people would realize the damage that could be done from the sources that this is meant to repair. And this is for if you're out in the sun or if you work out a lot, which is me. I'm both of those. Out in the sun more in the summer because in the winter I hibernate. I don't like the cold. But the key ingredients are Japanese umi, apricot, soy and rice, microproteins, and rosebay. So this is supposed to fix stiff, tangled hair and sensitive scalps from sun damage. UV rays could affect your hair just as much as they affect your skin. I mean, you could get breakage, you could get color fade, your hair could be stiff, it could do all sorts of bad things. It could actually weaken your hair down to the core. It's not good. So this will protect that. It's good, like if you work out a lot like I do, you know, your roots get sweaty and then the sweat could dry up in your hair. So this is meant to combat that damage. Of all the other ones I'm talking about, I probably used this one the least so far. I've used it once after a workout. Really liked it though. I mean, silk. My hair just felt like silk. I did it as a pre-poo. What I did was I put it in my hair and then I worked out with it in and then rinsed it. So I used this one that way. I didn't even try this as a leave-in yet, but I really liked it that way. And I know once I'm out in the sun more and it's summer and I'm enjoying the sun with my SPF on, I'm going to be reaching for this a lot more. It'll be really beneficial that way. So we have that guy. Then there's 3 left. If you're still here, thank you for watching. Thermal Obsession. This is what I use today as my leave-in conditioner. Manage and Moisture. I reached for this one because I just had a feeling too with knowing the product overload, how it's really going to cleanse. My hair was going to want something moisturizing afterwards. So this is for if you love using hot tools like blow dryers, curling irons, straightening irons, which I don't love using hot tools. In fact, I try not to diffuse my hair. I'm going to have to soon. It's almost diffusing season. But I figure, you know, I'm in the house and I have the heater on, and something else I do which could cause incidental damage when I'm in my car in the winter, I have the heat on full blast, and that heat is right here. It's hitting your hair. So your hair is getting, when you're in the car in the winter, your hair is getting hit with heat without you even realizing it, and it could damage it. So really like this one for the winter. Key ingredients: marine brown algae, silky butters, and exotic oils, and also the multi-hyaluronic acid. So it's supposed to repair heat damaged hair, and also does have a heat protectant in it. So if I was going to diffuse, I was debating diffusing my hair today, but then I just said no, let me not, because I'm just not a big fan of how my hair comes out when I diffuse it. But really moisturizing, gonna protect, and it feels lightweight too, and you guys wouldn't even believe how little I need. It blows my mind. I've used this one quite a bit, you could see. This is one of the ones I've been reaching for quite frequently. Smells good. It's rich, but it's not heavy. It doesn't feel producty. It doesn't feel greasy. So that's what's in my hair today. Then we have 2 guys left. So this one is called Age Acceleration. Bright shine and volume. Key ingredients: bioactive milk molecules, Japanese licorice, taro fruit, and organic sunflower sprouts. So this is supposed to help volumize your hair. This is supposed to help if you have thinning hair, aging hair, if your hair feels rough, wiry, and brittle. You can see I'm reading it off my blog right now. If your hair is becoming increasingly sensitive to free radicals, UV rays, and environmental pollutants, then you're going to be left with weak thinning hair and an itchy scalp. This targets it. I've been using this at least once a week because my hair has been thinning lately. I feel like I'm finally, after going to the trichologist and stuff over the summer, it's getting better, getting under control. But I want my hair to be as thick and to hang on to it as long as possible. So This one, another one that's just lightweight. Shine, shine, shine. And I keep saying shine. I think that's the #1 attribute, is that, like, I don't even have to, like, put a ton of oil in my hair, and I just have, like, natural shine. Like, you guys, it's dark out. I'm in a ring light. But you could still, I mean, you could kind of see. I'll get close at the end. But hopefully, with that one, I'm looking forward to the cumulative effects of the helping thinning, helping hair to grow. And last but not least, we have the little blue cap guy. And this is called Pollution Assault. I'm seeing more and more just by researching and learning that pollution in hair care is becoming like a new thing, because especially if you live in the city, pollution, it could wreak havoc on your hair. It could wreak havoc on your skin. Not just like from gas tanks or people smoking, which is gross. It's 2019. If you're still smoking cigarettes, stop. Like, why are you still smoking cigarettes? It's gross. But I'm going to say it like it is, and I'm not even sorry. But this is to get shine and repair hair damage by pollution. This is another one that's very conditioning. I could have used this today for the moisture, to nourish flat, dry, brittle hair and a stressed scalp. So your scalp's under stress from constant attack. New hair can even suffer. Helps with free radicals. Helps protein. The protein balance in your hair. It helps give your hair hydration and really, really silky. So really, I like that one too. I like that that's another moisturizing one. Just like the Thermal Obsession. And I can't pick a #1 favorite. If you were to say to me, like, then pick your favorite out of the 6, I really don't think I could do it, because I think that it's great how they all target different needs. There's a thing on the website that shows how you could mix and match, and I've kind of been using the age prevention once a week, definitely, just for the thinning thing. And then based on my needs and what I feel my hair is like feeling, I'll pick from the other ones. Like today I said I went for the Thermal Obsession because I wanted the heavy moisture, and I wasn't 100% sure that it wasn't going to diffuse, so just in case I did, I wanted the heat protection. But the difference in my hair, how it feels, how it looks, even less frizz, more manageable. And since I'm trying to grow my hair really long, this is where it is now. Anything to help prevent breakage and just to get my hair as healthy as it could be. So that's it right now. Let's get close, and I'll even show you guys. Like, I mean, I have grays here and there, not a whole bunch, but it's one of the perks of getting older, and of course I don't dye my hair. Like I said, you can see this part of my hair is still a little wet, but it's just like my hair doesn't even feel or look like my hair. My hair is usually a lot more frizzy, it's a lot more unmanageable, it's more poofy, and I can't say enough good things. Like, I swear, I sound like this is like a sponsored post, which is not, because no brand's ever paid me anything. Like, that'd be cool, but no. But with the mail money, we'll continue to buy. I actually got a few little jars for like some of my family members and friends. I became that obsessed with this. I'm like, you need to try this. This stuff is just incredible. Like, I wish you guys could, through YouTube, feel how soft my hair is compared to how it usually feels. But okay, this video is almost 20 minutes of just me talking. Thank you so much if you're still here. Like, comment, subscribe. Check them out. I'll post the link below. I'll post the discount below. Check the blog for more information. Follow me on Instagram, because when I post pictures of like my hair of the day, I'll always post which one I'm going to be using. So I'll do a follow-up too. I want to do a follow-up of this that'll be shorter, just to give you guys like what Continued Use did. So I'll do that too. Gonna stop now. Thank you guys again. I'll see you next time. Bye.